What's going on, everybody? Biker Dave here, Horsepower House. Make sure you Google us. We're all over the internet. And got a little tip for you regarding fork gaiters. It's a very simple tip. Now, we probably sell at a retail level more fork gaiters than just about anyone in the world. And I've been selling for well over 10 years. Do constant research. Always looking for new fitments and new sizes and things like that. It never ends, basically. But if you've bought some fork gaiters and you just want them to be a little bit longer, or they've come from shipment and they're kind of squished together in the package, you take them out of the package and they just look kind of short, but they should be the correct length. I'll show you a quick tip on how to resolve that. No big deal at all. Okay, now these two boots are actually the exact same size, dimension, length, etc., etc. But let's say you receive the ones on the right in the package and you immediately look at them and go, "Oh man, these are too short." Not necessarily. I mean, you could just pull them out when you install them on the bike, but in some cases you might need to expand them, and you can do that with heat very easily. You can either just put them in front of a space heater, like this little guy right here. Got a space heater that I use all the time for various things. But yeah, just put the boots, either like I put a bunch of them in a box. I know that may be hard to see there. You can put them in a box and put a space heater and just let it work for a while. It may take 30 minutes, it may take an hour, it may take longer. But what will happen is they'll eventually will loosen up, and they'll be longer in relaxed form. So very simple, no big deal. And like I said, we sell tons of fork boots, shapes and sizes, crazy, all kinds of moped sizes, 50 cc's, Harley Davidsons, red ones, black ones, blue ones, just crazy, mini bikes, retro bikes. We sell a ton of freaking fork boots. Anyway, no big deal. That's all there is to it. Yeah, if you have a need for fork gaiters and you don't know where to start, you don't know what size you need, shoot us an email, or you can put a comment down below the video. But I'll put a link down below as well for our eBay category on our store. That'll give you a starting point. You can search year, make, and model, and that'll often find you what you need. But if you still don't see them, you might need to search under the size that you think you need in millimeters, or just contact us and we'll see if we can help you, because we're always seeking new fitments and new sizes to offer. Anyway, that's it. Biker Dave here, Horsepower House. We're on eBay, Amazon, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, 2 YouTube channels. We'll be moving a lot of content over to our 2.0 channel. Long story about that, but that's going to be happening very soon. And search through our channel. We got all kinds of cool stuff that I think you'll like, as well as if you click the join button below, it'll allow you to contribute to our channel even further, which we really appreciate. And anyone who joins our channel, and if you stay on for a while, we like to send you some free stuff from some of our channel supporters. So make sure you shoot us an email. Email is in the description of this video. And let us know maybe your mailing address or your shirt size, something simple like that. We may be able to hook you up with some cool freebies. Anyway, that's it. We will have the next race up shortly. Just watch the first moto of Southwick, and second moto won't be on until tomorrow, but we'll combine them, and we're going to probably start doing reactionary videos to races. So we're working on setting that up. Anyway, should be cool. That's it for now. Y'all have a great day. We shall see y'all later.